Hello student, in this video we use the transition in our videos, right? So in transition we use first the zoom transition, right? So for this purpose we import our media clip, right? So I import my video, right? So I import my this video, right? Now I drag and drop here and I silent his voice, right? And for transition I divided into clips, into short clips, right? Now I edited this clip, right? And now I click on the transitions, right? And in transition you just see the transition. Now click on it and first you see the trending and then the basics and then the zoom. So we first apply and discuss the zoom transition, right? So you see the download button, you click on the download button, it will be downloaded. If you like it, so you click on the favorite, it will be added in your favorite, right? From here. Now I this zoom and this transition is downloaded. So first I drag and drop this transition on here, so it will be added, right? So when you drag and drop on your project, you show these three steps, right? The prefix, the overlap, and the postfix, right? The prefix is the transition first is come and then it will the second part is coming, right? And you also use the postfix, right? And you also use the overlap. When you click on overlap, it will go to the overlap, and when you click on the postfix, it will goes to the postfix, and when you click on the prefix, it goes to the prefix. So I like and recommended is overlap, right? Include timed frames, right? You also click on it, you also unclick on it, right? And you also increase or decrease the duration of your transition, right? So if you want to increase it, so you also increase it, and if you want to decrease it, you also decrease it, right? And now I play this transition. So first I added more transition, now I added this transition to this clip, right? And I want to drag and drop this transition on this and this transition upon this, and now I play this video, right? So full screen, and now I play it. Now in this lecture we learn how to apply the transition on a video, and in transition we learn the zoom transition, right? In the next video we use the speed blur and the glitch, the dynamic transition, right? One by one, inshallah.